Hi everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks, and welcome to day 6 of our painting challenge. This is a 30-day painting challenge if you're new to subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for love and support over the past 6 days. It's been awesome. Thank you for all those that have purchased paintings. Let me get right into it. So this is all of our original paintings. My original paintings come in a gift box. So you just open up the gift box, and you'll see a quick little thank you card along with a coupon that you can use on a website. And then it's wrapped with a nice protective plastic coating. And then here we go. This is the painting, you guys. This is called Mountainside Meadow #1. Super excited about this one. It comes with hand-painted edges on all of the 4 sides, along with my signature on the right-hand side painted on. And then on the back, I have my full signature with copyright information, as well as our unique inventory number to show that this is an original acrylic painting on canvas. This was a ton of fun, you guys. Thank you so much for, again, your love and support over the past several days. I do plan on doing more of this series just because I love painting mountains and I love doing ocean work. But thank you so much for tuning in. Really appreciate it. And if you are interested in purchasing this painting or any of the paintings from the 30-day challenge, feel free to comment "sold" below in the comment section below. Just comment SOLD, and I'll go ahead and send you a payment link, and you can walk away with this cute little painting. So have a good one, you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow on day 7. Talk to you soon. Bye.